Hi guys, in this video you're gonna learn how to change currency on Roblox. So to change your currency on Roblox, first open the Roblox website. So go to roblox.com. Then step 2, log in to your Roblox account using your username and password. Step 3, once you are logged in, look for the Robux tab on the top of the screen, and it should be right here. Then step 4, click on the Robux tab to open the Robux section. Now you can see here the currency is peso, Philippine money. Now to change this currency, you must install a VPN to change this currency into different currencies like USD, GBP, EUR, and many more. And after that, you'll be updated accordingly and can buy or subscribe to Robux packages. So that's how to change currency on Roblox. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial. Thanks for watching.